Alright, so my dear friends and family, hope that things are fine and all of you are having a really very good time. So I hope that you are great and well, and also I'm going to well. So today in this video I'll try to talk with you how to improve our speak English very easily. But we don't know how to speak English very easily and how to improve our speak English very easily. But we want to try to speak English very easily, but we cannot. So today I will try to make you understand how to speak very easily. For example, and there are more and more structure to speak English very easily, such as first of all, you think that I want to speak English, but how will I start and when I will end? So this is your main problem, and but you cannot start, but you cannot end. But first of all, you have to think on how do you have to start. Okay, so you have to start now, from now. Yeah, you when will you start, or when you will start, you think that I will start only alone, but I have not any my partnership. But if I will start, but I feel demotivated, but how will I start? I'm not getting any person to practice. So I can tell you, you will start before alone, and when will you walk, you think that tea state, okay, or mango tea, anything. When will you get market, field, river, you think that this is your partnership, okay, but you will speak and they will answer, you will speak, they will answer, but you have to speak loudly, you have to speak loudly. But if you speak slowly, but you are speaking English, it will not be great and well. But if you want to speak English very easily, first of all you have to speak loudly, and if you loudly speak your English, I am sure 100 to 100% you speaking English, it will be improved. But at first you have to think that if you loudly speak, then you will speaking English, it will be very easily improved. Okay, so I make you understand how to speak English very easily, I think that, and you have to loudly speak and it will be very improved. And if you don't loudly speak, but you will not improve. For example, how will I practice alone? Okay, for example, what do I do? Yes, I'm talking, or I'm making a video for my viewers, for my friends. Okay, they will learn and they will improve speaking English. Oh yes, this is very good work. Okay, so keep on your work, and I will answer, thank you so much for information this, and if I make this video, more and more people they can earn, they can speak very easily. So thank you so much for information this. This is a part my speak. There are two part if I want to speak. Hey man, what are you doing? Actually, I'm walking. But where will you walk? Actually, I'm walking. I have to go to now in the field. Okay, but where you are going in the field? Actually, I have to play. But where do you want to play? Actually, if I want to play, my exercise it will be improved, and I can feel so kind of peace. Wow, this is very good work, and keep on. There are 2 points. But I am only practice alone, but I have not any partnership, but same to same we have to practice. There are third point, just I'm trying to see you, or I'm trying to tell you how to speak or how to improve. There are some point. For example, hey man, where are we eating? Actually, I am eating for my value or for my health, but if I don't eat my value, my health, it will not be enough. But if I eat or for my value, but I will peace, and I will be strong, and I can walk and I can start very easily. But if I don't eat, or if I don't something eat, but I will not get any enough. Yes, this is very good work, and human must be eat, and without eating, but we cannot so kind of speech and must be continue now. This is great and well. Okay, so same to same, I have make you understand there are some point to speak English without alone, or there are some speech. I hope that you will try to speak English about there are some lesson. So if you understand, or if you make if I make you understand, it's very easily. So you have to continue everyone, and first of all you have to think that, yeah, 1 second, 2 second, 10 second, 5 second you have to speak, and it will be enough 100%. So tata, bye bye.